يا خير ضيف أتى بالبر والمداد أهلا وسهلا وترحيبا بلا عداد يا خير ضيف أتى بالبر والمداد أهلا وسهلا وترحيبا بلا عداد.
So very much, dear Mansour. Welcome on Al Muridiya TV, anytime, anywhere, on any device. Today is Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, the 9th day of Ramadan, Hijrah. So today, as the Murid community and the Murid tradition dictates, every single day the community, under the auspices of the General Caliph Sheikh Muhammad Muntaha Mbake, gather here at the residence Sheikh Ahmadul Khadim to give thanks to Allah, to vivificate, the Ramadan, the month of Ramadan, reading the Quran and reading the panegyrics, those poems written by Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. And on this occasion, we have the pleasure to bring today Halo li Irkan li Abwawi Salatini, which is a poem written by the Sheikh himself in the very beginning of the Murid community. Let us say in the year 1301 Hijrah, coinciding with the year 1882 or 1883 in Mbacke Kadior. This poem is really important today. Why? The rationale was certainly to show his firm commitment to worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but it was also an answer, a response to those who suggested him to follow his father as a Qadi to the king of Kadior, Gona Latir Job. As a reminder, his father, Sheikh Serigne Mamor Anta Salim Mbacke, was a Qadi, meaning a judge, a religious judge to the king of Kadior, Lajor. And when he passed away, some of the Murid dignitaries or some of the local dignitaries asked him to follow his late father as a Qadi, as a judge to the king of Kadior. A suggestion he firmly and categorically rejected because he was not interested in those worldly things. And he said it. That's why the title of the panegyric, the poem, is Halo. Halo meaning they said. What did they say and who said it? They said, go and cooperate with the king. After your condolences, you can be posted as the judge to the king. And the sheikh answered, they suggested me to do that, but I firmly reject this because I am not interested in these worldly things. What I am interested in is worshipping Allah in conformity with the recommendation of the Holy Book, the Quran, but being also in the service of my beloved master, the Prophet Muhammad, peace and benediction be upon him. That was really puzzling. And then to their great astonishment, they said, wow, what's going on in here? Why? Because they could not imagine someone in his prime rejecting such a privilege. They did not understand the Sheikh himself. So he was really young, and then he took that bold decision of rejecting those privileges. That's why he wrote this poem, Halo li Irkan li Abwawi Salatin, to explain why he rejected those proposals. He said that what interested me in this world is worshipping Allah in conformity with the recommendation of the Holy Book, but being also in the service of my beloved master, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. As some remarks, the former remarks, we can note that there is a closing lesson, which is a Tawhid lesson, asking people or those who are the tenures of the religious sciences not to be, running behind the tenures of the powers. These worldly things do not help them. So this is a lesson we can really update and then try to focus and then follow it. So Dean Mansour, that was the poem Halul Irkan Liabwawi Selatini. And then dear viewers, dear listeners, I recommend you to read this poem. Thank you so very much for viewing and watching Al Mouridiyyah TV anytime, anywhere, on any device.
يا خير ضيف أتى